Hello, 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 and welcome back to Shaken Not Slurred. Thank you, thank you. So this time we will be starting a new series, so this marks the beginning. Drinks inspired by the popular Netflix show Money Heist. If you haven't watched it, highly encourage you to check it out. Super dope. This particular drink that we will be doing is based on the character Lucia. So just a warning, if you haven't seen it, spoiler alerts, kind of. So she is the pregnant lady that is on the show, red hair. She is a former cop who kind of starts and ends up working with the main characters, the professor and all of them. So her personality, just a little backstory. She's very adamant about what she does. She's very determined. So we will be actually making an espresso martini. It's kind of a drink, coffee kind of gives you that kick. So she's always in the show. You can tell she's very energized. And so this is what we will be doing. So before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And let's hop right into it. Okay, so the first ingredient for the espresso martini is 2 ounces of vodka. So we will do 1 ounce here, 2 ounces, like so. Then we will follow that up with some coffee liqueur. So I have Kahlua here. We will be doing half an ounce of coffee liqueur. So we will pour that directly in here like so. And if you haven't had Kahlua, it's pretty good. I don't even really like coffee and I recommend it. We will come behind that with some homemade simple syrup. So another half ounce of that. If I can get it open, there we go. Like so. And then we will follow that up with about an ounce or a shot of espresso. So I actually got this from Starbucks. You could just go and order a shot of espresso if you're okay with it. So we'll do an ounce of that. Or like I said, a shot. Like so. And then we will pop this on and shake. Like so. Okay, then you will grab a martini glass. I've been chilling this in the freezer. We will strain into this glass, like so. Try to get all of that froth in there. And then we will garnish with 3 coffee beans. 1. These things are kind of hard to grab. And there you have it, an espresso martini based off of the hit character Lucia from the show Money Heist. So let's give this a taste. That's good, actually. And like I said, I don't even like coffee, and this is pretty good. So thank you guys for joining in. Stay tuned for more in the series. Try and drop a comment, try and guess what the next character will be. And I will see you in the next video.